cabelos cor de mel singela. Seu nome é Mabel, é uma menina cheia de vida. Se vamos para a praia, não esquece a sandália e se olha pro céu.
Hello beautiful souls and welcome to another video. I'm Alex and this is a corner in my living room slash art studio slash lounge slash hangout meditation yoga space, even kitchen actually, where I normally film, and this channel is called Alex's Art Corner. I normally share videos about my creative process, and I like to call myself something of an intuitive, I guess, person and also an intuitive artist. So this video comes from an intuitive place in the sense that I haven't really planned it. I just want to talk a little bit, mainly for myself, to get my head around the idea of intuition and how you can stimulate this muscle that intuition actually is through your art process. In your art, it is very easy to fall into the trap of judging every step that you take and following some kind of recipe because you think it works. Maybe it has worked in the past for you, or maybe you have seen it work for other people. The problem with sharing a lot of art processes online is that you may feel as a viewer that the process or whatever this person that you're watching is doing in their art applies to you. I honestly think that our art journey, the way I like to frame it, is as unique as we are as human beings. So whatever I'm sharing in my videos about my own process is actually first and foremost for myself, and if it helps other people figure out their own I guess issues around the same topic, or if they at least feel my voice is soothing and they can draw or paint alongside this video, or they can maybe have a little break in their hectic crazy lives to just watch and relax while just simply going with whatever is happening on the screen. That's basically it. But I'm not trying to share something that would work universally when it comes to making art, especially because I am not a trained artist. I have not studied arts in any way, shape or form actually, and I have always drawn or made things, whether it was crafts or doodling, or even simply, I don't know, anything that you can make, flower arrangements, I don't know, home decor, anything that you can make using your intuition or your, I guess, gut feeling, counts as, I guess, some kind of practice or exercise, or a way to exercise this ability to get out of your head and into, I would say, a zone where nothing is judgment and everything is feeling and process, and step by step we move through a whole range of emotions until we get to something that I guess many spiritual authors call flow. My Instagram account is called Zany Art Flow, and that's because years and years ago I found myself doodling and drawing when I was feeling really anxious or stressed. And I would get myself into this kind of cocoon of creativity where I was able somehow to block out everything that was happening in my life, even if people were going completely crazy around me. I was able to just block out everything that was going on outside and just be with my pencils and my colors and whatever I was making in a way that I felt deeply connected to something bigger. Anyway, that's probably a story for another video. Although it's kind of related and kind of unrelated, I'm not sure. I wonder if it makes sense. Let me know. I'm trying to be more authentic. That's a weird one. You're either authentic or you're not. I am stepping into myself, into being myself in these videos more and more. And a lot of, I guess, moments of, lack of clarity may occur. So I guess that was one of them. Anyway, what I was trying to convey is that we all have our unique way of making art. Art journaling, crafting, writing. Oh my God, writing. Yes, please. Anything that involves creativity is inherently, essentially an intuitive process. And whether you admit it or not, you are inherently drawn to certain things and not drawn to others. In the same way as, these fairy lights may seem silly to many people, but they feel really joyful and pleasant to have and look at for me. And my invitation in this video is to perhaps journal around the idea of intuition and start creating from a place of being rather than doing, and try to separate yourself from the result as much as possible and be with the act itself as much as possible. And how do you do that? I personally just get on with the thing itself. For example, here's a crazy thought. I had a very busy day today. It is now, not kidding you, 7:45. I am just about to relax a little bit and have dinner, but instead I am taking advantage of this rare quiet moment in my house to film this video that I haven't even planned, and I've been ranting for more than 7 minutes already on a topic that is so vast. But I did it because I felt it was important, and I decided to just not judge anything and not get in the way of anything, of the whole thing itself, creating this video. I didn't even change my clothes. I just put on a different jumper and decided, okay, this would be a good corner to film in, and got the flowers from my kitchen table and just popped them on here. And one thing led to another, and there I was, sat in front of my camera, and there I am, here I am, sitting in front of my camera, talking to you, and one day, whatever I'm saying right now will get to an audience, and I guess I've made a thing. And that's how it works. That's how intuitive creativity actually works. Do I want this video to go viral? Who knows? I'm laughing at myself. It may, it could, but that's not the point. The point is with every single decision I make from this place of playfulness, openness, willingness to see what happens if I just try something, if I just simply go for it without being in my head and judging myself and just ruin everything basically by overthinking, which we all know is a skill, and I know for myself that I'm pretty good at it, but that doesn't lead to anything really. That is a dead-end road, a dead-end street, and I have been there a lot, all the time. I can take myself there straight away. I can just decide to delete this video and that's it, it's over. But I won't. I will share it, and yeah, not to prove a point, but to just demonstrate myself that things can be imperfect, things can be random, things can be seemingly chaotic, but there is a reason why something inside wants to move. This message wanted to move through me to you. So there it is, my little chat, rant, random story time in my beautiful corner. I'm so proud of it, by the way. I just love being in this little corner and talking to the camera, awkwardly enough, weirdly enough, and being with my little roses here. So yeah, little comforting things that give me a bit more confidence basically. And here I am, all done. So if you have watched to this point, oh my god, you are amazing. Thank you very much for watching, being here. I hope you enjoy the bits and bobs that I'm going to add to this video, because obviously it's not going to be just me talking at this camera. It's going to be a lot more, of course, because I enjoy editing. I enjoy choosing footage and transitions and lights and corners of the room and setting up the scene and meditating before I talk, so that something bigger talks through me. I enjoy all these little things a lot more than commuting every day, and I feel really grateful that I get to do this. So thank you so much for being here, for watching and sticking with me, and whether I'm making sense or not, you're there. Somebody is there. So thank you for being there here. And I do hope to see you in the next video. If any of this has planted a seed for you to create something intuitively without really giving a big you know what I mean, go for it and share the journey with us. It would be lovely to hear how you dealt with all the little things that yeah, you probably had to deal with. So thank you so much one more time to all of you here. I hope you have a fantastic day, morning, whenever you're watching this video, and intuitively I hope you are sensing that something big is always around the corner. We just need to get out of its way, or out of our heads, judging minds basically, and let it happen. So let it happen, my friends. Go for it. Let your intuition flow, and be artists, my friends, whatever your craft is. Much love and lots of shining, gorgeous light from my fairy light corner to yours. Hope to hear and see you in the next video. Much love and light. Bye bye for now.